1,000 subscribers in 1 week? You guys know I love a good challenge, and today I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to crush YouTube and hit 1,000 subscribers in just 1 week. We're talking about going from zero to hero in 7 days flat. It's gonna take hustle. It's gonna take dedication, but trust me, if you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to YouTube domination. Get ready to take notes, because we're about to break down each day step by step so you can turn that subscriber dream into a reality. Let's do this. Alright, day 1 is all about getting your game plan straight. First, you gotta figure out what makes your channel unique. What's your niche? Are you all about gaming, beauty, education, or something totally off the wall? Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to research like crazy. See what's working for other creators in your space, what kind of videos are trending, and most importantly, what your potential audience actually wants to see. Then, whip out that calendar and create a content schedule. You gotta be organized. Day 2 is where the magic happens. It's time to create some epic content. But before you hit record, make sure you've got a solid script. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Now let's talk about quality. Invest in a decent camera and microphone. Your viewers will thank you for it. And don't forget about editing. Make those videos pop with some snappy cuts, music, and graphics. You want to keep those viewers hooked. Day 3 is all about making your channel shine brighter than a supernova. That means optimizing everything, and I mean everything. Keywords are key here, people. Use them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't forget about that thumbnail. It's the first thing people see, so make it count with something eye-catching and clickable. And hey, while you're at it, give your channel a makeover. Make it look professional and inviting with some custom banners and a killer channel trailer. Chapter 4, Day 4 is all about spreading the word like wildfire. Promote your videos on all your social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. And don't just drop a link and disappear. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and get people hyped about your content. Remember, building a community is key, so make people feel heard and appreciated. The more you engage, the more those subscribers will roll in. Chapter 5, Day 5 is about joining forces with other awesome creators. Reach out to YouTubers in your niche and propose some epic collaborations. It's a win-win situation. You get exposed to their audience, and they get exposed to yours. And hey, don't be afraid to network. Join some online communities related to your niche. Participate in discussions, share your knowledge, and make some new connections. You never know where those connections might lead. Chapter 6. Day 6 is all about reflection and fine-tuning. Head over to YouTube Analytics and see what's working and what's not. Which videos are getting the most views? Which ones have the highest audience retention? Once you've got the data, use it to make adjustments to your content strategy. Maybe you need to tweak your editing style, try different video topics, or focus on a specific keyword. Remember, knowledge is power. Chapter 7. You made it to Day 7. Take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. Look at that subscriber count climb. But hey, the journey doesn't end here. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Now it's time to review your progress, identify areas for improvement, and plan your content for the coming weeks. Keep that momentum going, stay consistent, and watch your channel soar to new heights. So there you have it, 7 days to YouTube success. I know it's a lot to take in, but I have complete faith in you. Just remember to stay true to yourself, create content you're passionate about, and never ever give up. The YouTube grind is real, but with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of MrBeast magic, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now get out there and make me proud. Stay consistent, keep creating, and you'll see your subscriber count grow. Good luck and happy creating.